Therefore, me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Ensembiesi na yebeka ya adwen pa munim say ye de ye ka ya adwen. Now, let me start from this point. Yesterday, the answer never to us on subscribe and click the notification bell no and no end that screen so see here. We understand latest news be about one sa ebeka. Just like I was saying, Endra, what happened? And they say Canada Japan etina na two say we call the seat show no so eko keka nsem na sisia no osi wo focus on Nigel Gazi na wo use 3 weeks I expose Nigel Gazi amagana fo na ye hu say Nigel Gazi no wonye so for pa enye ensem bebre Canada Japan wo ka nini na no obese wo ma ye hu no say wo begu Nigel Gazi animu ase. That's what he said. Na matena se ehunya ma bi ehunu se da bi se manfa beto Ghana fo animu a mabon abroad because se Canada Japan ya ade na Ghana fo kan nsem bi ana nkrofo bi e kan nsem bi fa Canada Japan hu na me hu ne se it is not right. I bring it and I condemn those people. If today Canada Japan is also doing something and I feel say enye right, you don't expect me to keep quiet. I'll speak. Na nini nemu no, I know if I defend Canada Japan people insult me. If Asemba na say mekatian and so people insult me into whichever way meaning say nkrofo di matem. So yes, meka Canada Japan asem kan na meka say way I am neutral on it but you say you are a coward and also nkrofo be di matem. So meaning say dey make bia mo be di matem, so I will speak and no one will stop me from speaking. I'll speak my mind. And that is something I've learned from Canada Japan. What can I gain? Me so make am gain. Ghana won yendi ne kre se Ghana yedi ne kre pa na nkende Canada Japan wa sorry etia wo sofo Nigel Gazi no na kebeka said I ken you are taking it too far o de ye yesrew ya na ye ka say ye pe but baby a o de kono eye why Canada Japan ankasa how many times na waka esi so say won no o ye sofo na won meka na won counter. I'm just putting this question in front of you. How many times in Canada Japan one can ask them no? But bisa ho say Nigel Gazi where ye ne den. Bisa ho say Bedukobi mpo de say no kan but o de Nigel Gazi ye ne den. And from my point of view, I see this as political, but people are not seeing it that way. When you know, I say Canada Japan is just exposing pastors and me want to say there is politics behind it, especially with Nigel Gazi, you know, because Nigel Gazi, your software, yeah, can say, well, no, the NDC for software, all the things Canada Japan work about Nigel Gazi, and let's break it down. And the major one right now, Canada Japan, what they back, and they say, what per se, say, what software Nigel Gazi, and na sebe, wokun ebony. That's what Canada Japan is saying now. Say Nigel Gazi is responsible for the death of Ebony just because Nigel Gazi eshen Hong Kong and I say a year then ebemu. Hey, and I'm also me to say nanki ye come obi a wo hye owu Hong Kong ebem ema ye boni din say we na hye Nkoma ni be won anka Ghana ha say hwan and na sin Reverend Owusu Bempa. Now so wo Canada Japan, you want us to believe say Reverend Owusu Bempa is a genuine man of God. Why? Because he speaks for MPP. You want us to believe say Reverend Owusu Bempa is a genuine man of God because he speaks for MPP. In come share Reverend Owusu Bempa ashe ewo my way mu, but obi anfa owo ento ne so ye. Now so NDC pastor and now supposedly NDC prophet won no ne de yemfo owo ne ento ne so mebo. Listen, Reverend Owusu Bempa shen kom wo my way mu. Eja be hye that time Mahama mreso eja be hye. Over 100 people died in this country. But when the story here was says, oh, no, they share Reverend Owusu Bempa, not any NDC member. But Reverend Owusu Bempa shall sound come no money bemu. Or shall sound come no money bemu. But and there, you see, Nigel Gazi, I shall come say, Ebony be wama, Ebony, you win, no, ane. How many personalities been and a Reverend also been pa and share? Just say, in Quamsha was share a money bim no, but who blames him? Who? But we are to believe, Sir Reverend Owusu Bempah is a genuine man of God. Why? Because he speaks for MPP. And we are to believe the same thing and Nigerians. So we are to blame the death of Ebony on Nigel Gazy. Now me say here, we are saying, Nanku will be at the Ebony war ever share Nigel Gazy and Kennedy Japan. Because you've been in a similar situation before, and me use my platform where you can go into my old videos. I used this platform to speak for Kennedy Japan. And black Kennedy Japan tinane too. E show Ahmed Swale. Me I didn't know Ahmed Swale. O show Ahmed Swale pictures. I can't say Ahmed Swale any say when they kuno any say no. Me say when they kuno. O can't say Ahmed Swale mo fa bibi mbono any say no. Later Ahmed Swale bewu you know. A lot of people rose up. I can say Kennedy Japan. Wait there eyewo. Oh my head as I say even that was the narrative Anas was putting out. Yes. We came out to speak on your behalf. I can say no, that narrative coming out, no, it is not true. Because personally, the Kennedy Japan I know, no meaning say yes, Odiebufuo Kasa, but one Kasa Yenko Kun Ameswale. That is what I said on my platform. And you want us not to accuse you of the death of Ameswale. Now, so Osofo Eshan come say Ebony Ebuninti, Yanka se Osofo no Ene Kun Ebony. On my way, you see Yanka Nekre. On my way, you see yen can create. Now, and this is software, and then I'll bring this in. And this is software I actually and saying, yeah, can Kwabne J. I've shown you videos to show say or no kind of say one share down your NDC software because some time ago Wabompire my Kufado. But anyway, the young fan say where your NDC software. Because Sana you're describing now will be a better as ye. Kwabne Kwabne Uswe Joe said again. So no police watching no interrogation video no. You be saying say into easy asem na walk no. What did it mean? What's a prophecy? Yankopon na ya tre no. Say easy no say wo be say. Now so Kennedy Japan directed the national security to go and arrest him. Why? Because one, he was speaking against Akufo-Addo's family and Akufo-Addo's name. And two, Wakasa about EC. Later, Wabobachen no who say we Eshenel and a lot of security experts, even Nkrumah ba Eyeseku Nkrumah. Aba Bontin Beka say, well no him say a police for NAD we nation, but I know we don't have evidence to that, so we no speak. But one no Eshan come say EC boss be winning the Yamaya Kochino. By your Krum has say also been passion come. Mahama bewu ene webewu NDC ni webewu ene de dabi se Mahama de sebe enye wo ba na ewo no nti Owusu Bempah de ne party na opa wan no do to mission come say nipa webewu nti ono de ye ma police for enkonkosia no ye ma police for enkonkoche no hey o man bi ne etimu say but we have to believe that Owusu Bempah is a genuine man of God. And all those pastors supporting NDC are not genuine. And why I feel, so this expose at Kennedy Japan, or you know, why I feel it is political, any. NDC in so far now, Wobo Mudino, he finds a way to link Mahama to it. And let me tell you this. And back Kennedy Japan, we expose Bedu Kobino. Kennedy Japan, my head here, say. Beduko because I want your duty nano. Mahama and I. Montier. Or says I time na Mahama wa power. Until Beduko be the cast nebar. A son said, well, ya Mahama, ne spiritual father ninti. Oh, na Mahama more the cast number 3. Meanwhile, Beduko because I caught she no, not a 2018 model cast. What does it tell you? Just a car ne cry yeah no 2018. Inti time ben enebedu Ghana. Na Mahama 2018 no a president ana. But Kennedy Japan found a way to link Mahama to the whole Bedu Kobi thing, and a lot of Ghanaians believed it. Meanwhile, the cars were 2018 model cars. When the cars were made, Mahama was no longer a president. But Ghana for and you see how he linked you see how Kennedy Japan linked Mahama to it. Meanwhile, it wasn't true. So for when so Nigel Gazi, Kennedy Japan exposing no. No, before that, no, also for now, Yakochen say Wokita we ne den no. And also Kennedy Japan bekan say ane ena NDC for Mahama mo akwa komaniska ena wo kasa say. Meanwhile, NDC for kame NDC for ka ka say sa so fuika enya sa video na komukra wo mu nim no. But you see how software bad NDC in India, we find a way to link Mahama. And you want to tell me that this thing Kennedy Japan is doing, no, there's no politics attached. Say we're exposing software. You want to tell me that any politics that Kennedy Japan warrior? Yembra Nigel Gazi the so. And then Nigel Gazi akoye say one name bada Kennedy Japan has found a way to link Mahama to Nigel Gazi as well. Say ane wo Mahama Nigel Gazi nsema waka tell ni ano eyentro e na woji usikedi woni moga ene na ma Mugabe Mase oba abontin be di Kennedy Japan atem poto no. Now so meanwhile Mugabe Mase enye the size ene Kennedy Japan. But you see, because he mentioned Mugabe Mase's name in it, Mugabe Mase also felt say and them so many be yo. But it is this same Kennedy Japan and our my say, you see, one thing Kennedy Japan catch and say Kennedy Japan catch and say on so no one bekana one count. But what should be do Kobe and Nigel Gazi, his reason he has given for attacking them and say one more air cassette here Ekufuado intiana one no Kennedy Japan warrior then what attack you. But what Kennedy Japan so you talk against Mahama when the kasa say Mahama e wo krum ha say when the kasa etia Mahama e say Kennedy Japan wo krum ha Mahama tini baby o ni e di we abehye ne kon ye ma JB Dankwa wuo trawo Kennedy Japan na obekan ye ya linking Mahama to the death of JB Dankwa. Now so this same person usi Ekufuado there ono ye kan there obeba abonte be defending no, but you also talk about someone and you don't want people to come and attack you. You be attack you na okoko apai. Now so who to me they will pay sorry attacking Crawford. You can't yes hey. You can't yes hey. Eye Kennedy Japan ti obi asoro, obi an person obe kasa. Eye Kennedy Japan ti obi asoro, police for obi an person obe he. Obi an person obe he. Kelvin Taylor besie was say that is why Kennedy Japan hated Oba Tiwa they no yes CID boss no. Because and then BBC na Kennedy Japan fre CID for pe wo mo beba, but Tiwa wo ho no, it wasn't happening. Inti Kelvin Taylor na kasa ne numu Kelvin Taylor na e kan wo na kasa ne numu asem se ane se Kennedy Japan na ya ma Yasaki Tiwa ama sisi Kennedy Japan has control over the police force. I don't know for that, but that's what Kelvin Taylor said. Because social arrest are a cost to NDC way be do kobi de na Kennedy Japan etumi betena TV so eka say me na me order national security force wo mo nkonkoche no. Even Ghana Revenue Authority Kennedy Japan ka say Revenue Authority for no free wo no Kennedy Japan e bisa no go ahead say yanko be do kobi ho nkoche na na Kennedy Japan ka say and Ghanaians in a democratic country, we don't see this as being wrong. Why? Because it's our favorite person. Kennedy Japan is a good man with a good heart. When he does good, we come on this channel and talk about it. You don't expect us to be silent when he does things that will not preach against. And I didn't know media to him no. Move to me be dim attempt for all you want. But you can't tell me say and someone American a intro. Complete fact. I give you be a 1 penny crack. I'm sure I'm wondering, me that say.